In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable eye tracking on iPhone 16. This enhances user experience by allowing hands-free navigation and interaction where users can control certain features just by looking at the screen. To turn on eye tracking, simply head to your phone settings. On your settings page, scroll down onto the accessibility option. Inside the section of physical and motor, head to eye tracking. Now first enable this feature. You will then follow the black dot with your eyes to enable it successfully. This technology improves accessibility, particularly for individuals with mobility challenges, offering an easier way to interact with their device. Well, that's how easy it is to turn on eye tracking on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.